In this video, I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails with an AI, okay, completely free of charge. I'm going to use two tools for this. The first one is ChatGPT. Let's say I have my ChatGPT here and I prompt it to give me a prompt about a thumbnail that I can use. In this case, I imported a thumbnail sample and I asked it to give me a detailed description about that thumbnail. And this is it. And then I asked it to summarize this. It has given me this. So I copy this as my own thumbnail idea with the sizing and the details of it as it is. You can give your own also accordingly. Now, the second tool that I want to use is called the Leonardo AI. You can access it by coming to leonardo.ai. Just click on get started and you can sign up to have it. It's completely free. You'll be given 150 points every single month and this is worth it. You can use it to create anything. So once you log in, you've written over here, you can go to images. Okay, so over here, you need to type in the text or the prompts that you've gotten. So these are other sample thumbnails that I have generated with this. You can see them, fantastic thumbnails that I have just created with this particular AI tool, just from prompts that I got from ChatGPT. So you can select this and let's say we paste in this my prompt. We can check and change some things here from the model type. I want to keep that flux depth to the dimension 16:9 medium, number of images 4. I can just go ahead and click on generate. So we'll just give it some seconds and this is going to generate our thumbnail directly. And you can see right now, it has given us a fantastic thumbnail. So if you like, you can click to have a preview into what it has created for you. If this is what you want, you can click to see the next one. You can click some fantastic thumbnails that you can use. If this is what you want, you can just come over and click on download. Can close here. And then you can select the one you like and click on download over here and you have your image downloaded directly. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.